Think renewable energy has reached its peak? Think again. What if I told you there are energy sources out there that could revolutionize the way we live? But they don't exist yet. From harnessing lightning to tapping into the heat of the Earth's core, the future of energy could be far wilder than you've ever imagined. Welcome to a world of what could be. Renewable energy sources that aren't in widespread use, but could revolutionize our planet. Today, we'll dive into some exciting, but yet to exist innovations that could change how we think about powering our world. Here's the challenge. While renewable energy is on the rise, it still depends heavily on just a few core sources, like wind and solar. But even these have their limitations. What happens when the sun isn't shining or the wind stops blowing? And don't forget, building and maintaining these systems can be expensive and land-intensive. Plus, large-scale energy storage is a critical hurdle we still haven't fully solved. Batteries are getting better, but they're not yet reliable enough to support the vast demands of our modern world. To truly power the future, we need to think bigger, way bigger. Let's imagine a future filled with bold, untapped potential. What if we could harness the power of ocean waves on a massive scale? Not just coastal areas, but wave energy farms that could supply cities hundreds of miles inland? The ocean is one of the planet's most powerful, yet underutilized resources. Or what if we could turn footsteps into electricity? Picture entire city sidewalks embedded with pressure-sensitive tiles that generate power from the millions of people walking on them every day. Imagine a busy city where every footstep creates energy. It could be a huge win for urban sustainability. Then there's space-based solar power. Satellites orbiting Earth could collect solar energy directly from space and beam it back to Earth. Space-based solar could bypass the limitations of weather, seasons, and even nighttime, offering 24/7 clean power for everyone, everywhere. Now, let's talk about a breakthrough idea that could redefine energy storage: gravity energy storage. This concept takes something incredibly simple, gravity, and turns it into a powerful tool for storing renewable energy. Here's how it works. During times of excess energy production, like when solar panels are collecting more sunlight than we need, electricity is used to lift massive weights, often inside tall towers. The weights are raised and stored at a higher elevation, holding on to potential energy, just like how water is stored in a dam. When energy demand spikes or when renewable energy sources dip, like during the night or on a cloudy day, those weights are released. As they lower, the mechanical energy from their descent is converted back into electricity, which can be fed into the grid. The beauty of gravity energy storage is its simplicity. No chemicals, no complex manufacturing processes, and it can be built almost anywhere. Plus, the technology can last for decades with minimal maintenance. It's a clean, efficient, and sustainable way to store and release renewable energy. But, like all emerging technologies, there are challenges. Gravity storage systems require significant upfront investment, large-scale construction, and careful site selection. Still, with the need for reliable energy storage growing every day, gravity energy could play a critical role in balancing our future power grids. And now, the ultimate game changer, fusion energy. While gravity storage can help us manage the energy we have, fusion could provide nearly limitless clean energy. It's the same process that powers the sun, fusing atomic nuclei together to release massive amounts of energy. Unlike fission, which splits atoms apart and creates hazardous waste, fusion merges hydrogen atoms, creating helium and releasing vast amounts of energy. Fusion produces almost no long-lived radioactive waste, and the fuel, hydrogen, is incredibly abundant. In fact, 1 liter of seawater could produce as much energy as 300 liters of gasoline. The problem? Fusion is hard. We're talking about temperatures of millions of degrees, hotter than the surface of the sun, that need to be controlled and contained with incredible precision. Scientists have been working on this for decades, And while we've made huge strides, it's still not quite commercially viable. But we're getting closer. Experimental reactors like ITER in France and the National Ignition Facility in the US are making progress every year. If we can unlock the secret to sustained, controlled fusion, it could power the world for centuries, completely cleanly, safely, and with virtually no environmental impact. So, what did we learn today? While wind and solar power are crucial to our future, the real excitement lies in untapped innovations, like wave energy farms, kinetic sidewalks, space-based solar, and the two game changers we just explored, gravity energy storage and fusion energy. Gravity energy storage offers a simple, sustainable solution to balance our energy supply, while fusion energy could one day provide us with a near-limitless source of clean power. These ideas represent the cutting edge of what's possible, and they could change everything about how we power our world. Which of these futuristic energy ideas blew your mind? Leave a comment below and let me know which one you think could be a game changer. And if you're as excited as I am about the future of renewable energy, check out my other videos exploring the cutting edge of sustainability and innovation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more mind-blowing insights into how we can power a better tomorrow.